In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to send a doodle on Instagram. Let's get started. First, you'll need to update your Instagram app. So launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you update the app, launch it. Now, navigate to the chats page. Here you're going to find all the conversation. Open the conversation where you want to send a doodle. Now, click on the plus option given at the bottom right. Then select the option Draw. Now here you're going to find different effect option. Select the option of your choice. You can use any of these. Likewise, you can select the color. Then you can draw anything and send it. This way you can easily send a doodle on Instagram. By following the same steps, you can easily send doodle on any conversation. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.